In today's video, I am going to show you Roadie Driver App Review 2025. The pros and cons. Roadie is a gig delivery platform owned by UPS where drivers can pick up and deliver packages, often bulky or uncommon items, from stores or cross docks rather than food or restaurant drops. One of the biggest draws is flexibility. You can choose where and when to drive, accept gigs that suit your vehicle, and use features like instant pay once eligible. Instant pay lets you cash out earnings the same day for a small fee, usually after completing a few gigs. Overall, many drivers say the interface is clean, getting started isn't super complicated, and there are high earning opportunities, especially with bigger, longer deliveries, rural runs, and large items, or when demand is high. On the flip side, several consistent complaints emerge from drivers. A major issue is low compensation for many gigs. Small deliveries often don't cover fuel or wear and tear, and bundled or multi-stop gigs sometimes pay less per drop than one might expect. Some drivers feel that after factoring in time, driving distance, and vehicle upkeep, the earnings are sometimes below what you'd hope. The further you drive or in rural zones, sometimes pay gets better, yet gas cost, car maintenance, and inefficiencies often eat into those profits. Customer support for drivers is another pain point. Many report slow responses, difficulty reaching a human, unresolved issues when gigs go sideways, or payment that is delayed or lower than expected. Is it worth it? Yes. If you want flexible side income, have a large vehicle or capacity for bulky deliveries, are willing to put in time and tolerate occasional hassles, Roadie could earn you a decent extra income. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.